Today we will see how we can fit Recosys remote control switch in Legrand Mylinc. This is Legrand Mylinc plate and what adjustment you have to do. So first, when we put the switch into this, so we have to first remove the connector. We have to put this. Now what is happening is this lock and this lock are getting jammed. So what we will do is we'll cut this lock and cut this lock too. Now when we'll fit this, this is getting jammed, so we have to cut this little bit so that it can get fit into it, and we can put the plate from the top, so it will look like this.